Well, if a Monday comes with crazy time and 81 total winners right there. So guys, good luck and let's go, guys. Yeah, good luck, everyone. We almost have 14,000 people, by the way, which is making me happy. Hello, look at that. So how is your mood up there, everyone? It's Monday, so is there any people who love Monday completely? Like that is the best day of in your life? Well, if a Monday comes with crazy time and 3x multiplier, it is totally amazing, isn't it? Everyone, crazy time! Woo! Let's go! Have a nice one. Players are being cheerful and everyone is having some great time. That is going to be crazy time with a 3x multiplier. Woohoo! Yippee! Yippee! Okay, guys, now you can enjoy the looks of the crazy time world. And we're going to add some 3x on the whole bonus game. So basically, guys, instead of 200x, which would be the highest multiplier, we're getting 600. How do you like that one? How do you like the triple on the bonus? Well, I love it really much, everyone. So, yeah, please make a decision. Which is your flapper? Which is your lovely color, what you love the most? And we're going to spin the wheel. Let's go, guys. So have a nice one. Penguins dancing. Everyone's having some great time. And let's see the outcome. Oh, 300 for yellow. Yes, baby. Here we go. 150.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.